Hello children, in this video we are going to practice some menu driven programs from chapter Iterative Constructs in Java. So if you see this menu driven program or user's choice in the question, you should use switch case statement in your program. So before introducing the program, let me explain bus number. If you are taking 777 as example and I am checking the divisibility by 7. And if I am getting the remainder as 0 means that number is divisible by 7, right? So that is the first condition of bus number. And we will see the second condition. I want to check whether the last number of that given number is 7 or not. If so, that is a bus number. So if I am dividing it with 10, then only I will get the remainder as the last digit. Okay, so then only I can check whether the last digit 7 or not. So I always want to separate the digits. I want to divide it with 10. So any of this condition is true means you can call that number bus number. And take this example 627. If I divide with 7, that means I am checking the divisibility, but I am getting remainder as 4. So this condition is false here. But see the second condition. I am separating the last digit by dividing it with 10. So I am getting the remainder as 7. I am checking whether it is a last digit. Yes. Okay, so by this we are going to separate the last digit. So these are the main condition. And if either one of the condition is true means we can call it as bus number. It is not necessary to both conditions to be true. Either one of the condition should be true. Now we will see this program. Write a menu driven program to accept a number from the user and to check whether it is a bus number or not. So in the logic part of this program, inside switch statement, case 1 I am taking to check whether it is a bus number or not. So I am checking, right? So I need a if condition statement. I am storing the number into n variable and I am checking whether it is divisible by 7. If I get the remainder, it is divisible by 7, or I am using logical operator or here, and I am checking the last digit also 7 or not. If any of this condition is true, means I can print bus number, else I can print not a bus number. So this is case 1, and don't forget to use the switch statement here. And for user friendly output you have to display like this, then only user can understand whether he have to check bus number, or in the second case I am going to give to find the GST of two numbers. So if he want to check the bus number, he will press 1 key so that this will execute. If you want to find the GCD of two numbers, he will press 2 so that this part will execute. Now we will see what is GCD of two numbers. So what is the second case here? To accept any two numbers. So we want to accept two numbers here. Here only one number for bus number, but in this case we have to check two numbers GCD. GCD means what? Greatest common divisor. So let us understand the concept of GCD. If I want to find the GCD of 9 and 2, I am taking the first number as A and second number as B. So how I am going to find the GCD? I will divide 9 by 2. How much I am getting? 8. 1 remainder I will get. Next time when I divide, I will divide this number by this. So 2 divided by my new remainder. That means 1. How much I am getting? 1 into 2, 2. Remainder I am getting 0. So repeat this division till you get the remainder 0. Then this number will be your GCD. In this example, first we divided it with 9 by 2 and you are getting the remainder here. I am taking this remainder and divided it with again. So I am getting a new remainder. So till that you have to repeat this division. And this number will be your GCD of both numbers. This is the concept of GCD. So in this program, in logic part you can see whenever this becomes 0, this loop should stop. If it is not equal to 0, this loop should repeat. So now we will see how this loop works. So what is the first loop? T equal to A modulus B. That means 9 modulus 2. I am getting the remainder 1. So check this. I am not getting remainder 0. So I will continue this loop. That means this condition is false. That is why I put this mark. And you can swap the numbers. Next time I want to divide it with my new remainder. So that is why I swapped these two. B value I given to A and my new remainder I given to the B value. So A and B value became a new value. Okay, each time the value of A and B changes. So next loop, again I want to calculate 2 divided by 1, right? So I am getting the remainder 0. So this condition will be true. If I get this remainder as 0, means I want to quit this loop. So this B will be your GCD. That means you want to print B here. And if there is any other case you have mistakenly enter other than 1 and 2, you can use default statement so that it will print like wrong choice. So first you understand the concept of bus number and GCD. Then try to do this program. In each case you have to give each type and practice with other numbers also. For bus and GCD, practice with other numbers so you will get the concept more easily. And I hope everyone understood this program.